Hi there, it's AI Claire. I'm back and I'm here to share my favorite AI tools with you to make AI more accessible to everyone. We're going to learn together. There's no age limit or technical experience required. If you want to follow this, subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more in-depth content and some interviews that start next week. Today we're going to review Pictory, a great video editing AI tool. So you can transfer, for example, your script to video, comes with stock footage, background music, AI voiceovers, and more. And I'm going to show you all of that and the above. So if you want to get a free account, go to app.pictory.ai, sign up there. You'll be able to look and see all the different pricing and what you would get in each category afterwards. But first off, let's go and see all the different elements that we can choose from. You also have article to video, where you would actually copy and paste your URL right in there and then proceed. Edit video using text, so you can put different video from various sources in there, or you can input drag and drop files which are visuals to video as well. So it's time to create our script to video. So we're going to click proceed. We are going to copy and paste in our script if we have one, or we can just type it in the box. This is something that I created with my good friend ChatGPT. My focus here is marketing, elevating your marketing game with smart video content. And now I am going to click on proceed, and then Pictory is going to generate a video for me. It's analyzing all the text, searching the visuals, and it's absolutely incredible, the video that it generates. Now, this is something that I've worked on a little as well, but I'm going to show you just how to do that. So, the video has been created. I've got my branding in there. We're going to look at that lastly. But let's go first off to actually the scenes itself. All the scenes will be separated here. And you can also move through the scenes here and then move through the scenes or the slides down here as well. It then, with my branding, all my captions, everything in there, this watermark will actually, if you have the upgraded account, with the downloaded video, you won't see that. That'll be gone, which is great. So if you want to move at any time, drag and reorder something, you can just move that down like that. My favorite buttons are the undo and the redo. So remember where those are as well. They should be in bright yellow. And then what we can do is we can actually either change and add different words in here, or we can actually go into the scene itself and we can change things in there, and you'll see that you actually have all of this that comes up above as well to do any, and apply to all the slides as well if you want to. Now let's move into visuals. Visuals, it's so incredible. If I don't like, for example, this visual right here, let's say I like this one, it will completely just do it really, really quickly. So fantastic. If I want to have different textures as well, I can go in there. I can have different pictures that I can drag and drop, or videos as well. So that really is about just how to change any of the visuals. Really, really simple. Just literally just click on it and it will change it in there. Okay, now we're going to move into audio. So with audio, we have first off the background music. I'll let you just go and have a look at all the different types of music. And then when you find one that you like, you just click apply, and it will automatically apply to all of the slides. Now, if you do not want it on all of the slides, let's say you don't want it on scene 3, you click into settings, and where it says background music, you click it off. Now we're going to go into voiceover. We have so many different types of voices. If we want to choose for a voice with an accent, particularly an English accent, naturally, I would click on that. Or if I want age, purpose, male or female. So again, play with those. I, for example, could just apply that one, and that would apply to all. I've applied Heather, who has, surprise, surprise, well, you'll hear it at the end of this video. If, just like with background music, I do not want to have that voiceover on my slide, I click it off. Or again, it's already applied to all. Okay, if I don't want my slide, I can delete my slide. Now let's look at recording our own voiceover. You would click over the microphone here, hover, record voiceover, click that one. I'm just going to finish off with branding here. I have got my own AI Claire branding. So I would go in where it says branding, and I actually can add and upload my logo, my brand colors, my font, visual intros, outros, etc. My favorite background music and AI voices. So there you have it. You save and apply, and those will be saved there in your account. Automatically, everything is uploaded here into my project. If I want to at any time preview a scene, I just click on this little triangle here, and it will play back with the music and the voiceover that scene as well. If I want to preview the entire thing, I can preview it there, but I'm not going to do this because you're going to see the finished result. And then I can download here by clicking on video, and it will download it for me to be able to share as I will. I will leave you now with the video, the finished video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, please drop me a line. Subscribe here to my YouTube channel, and bye for now.
Welcome to the world of marketing in the digital age. Fast-paced, ever-evolving, and ripe with opportunities. As a marketer, you're juggling a dozen tasks at once: content creation, analytics, and the never-ending pursuit of engagement. It's a challenging dance to stay ahead. This is where Pictory steps in. A tool designed to simplify your video marketing efforts, making high-quality content creation accessible and hassle-free. With Pictory, transform your blog posts into engaging videos, turn customer testimonials into compelling stories, and create product highlights that resonate with your audience. We understand the challenges of a marketer's daily grind. Pictory is here to streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on creativity and strategy. It's time to elevate your marketing strategy. Embrace the power of video with Pictory and see how your content can make a real impact. Are you ready to step up your game? Discover the ease of video marketing with Pictory. Start creating, start engaging, start now.